Hello guys, today we have 2008 Audi Q7 with a 3.6 engine. We're going to be replacing the fuel filter. This car has a bad fuel leak coming from the inside. I'm going to show you guys how to replace it. The fuel filter will be down here. It's located under the metal seat behind this thing right here. This is the carpet. You're gonna have to cut it. It already has some incisions. All you have to do is come with a razor blade, cut right here, cut in a few other places, and this flap will come off. But in order to do that, you'll have to remove a few bolts from the metal seat. And let's see. So this is the middle seat. Sorry, this car is really dirty. You have one screw in here. So if you come from this way, this area, it's gonna have this cap right here. So you remove that, remove this other thing that was there, and this is the kind of bolt that you're gonna remove from there. Then you have another bolt right here. Yeah, right there, which is a different size than this one. I'll show you right now. So then you have another one back here, and two other ones, one there, one there. And you're gonna use, this is the different sizes I use. Let's see, which one is this? Not sure. So this is a M12. And this is the kind of it's called triple square or so. And this the other one is a M10. You're gonna be using the M10 millimeters for this, and then the M12 for the one on the front. Okay. So after you remove all those things, you'll be able to push the seat out of the way. I'm not gonna remove it completely. I'm just gonna put it out of the way so I can get back here and get to the plate that's over here. Let me put you on pause and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we have removed the seat, I just put it out of the way like this. Make sure it's secure. You don't want this thing falling on top of you. So you see, now we have a lot of space to work on this. So remember, we cut right here and we made incisions on all over the place. This thing will be fine afterwards. You just push it down and it'll stick back on and nobody will see it. It's under the seat. So remove this out of the way like this. And you have 4 nuts holding this plate together, which is 10 millimeters. Put them out. Get them out of the way. Might be sticky. This thing. Okay. So get this off. Okay, so you take this off. It has one hose attached to it. All you do is press right here, just press in and then pull out. It goes right there. Pull it out, and then this thing, you kind of, if you want to use a flathead screwdriver, you can go like this, kind of pry out and push in. It's kind of weird. These connectors are, for some people, are kind of hard to remove, but what you do is just kind of pry out and then kind of get to that. Alright, so next thing we'll do, we have to remove this ring, which is kind of you need to rotate it, let me see, counterclockwise. I'll let you guys know in a minute. Hold on. So to remove the ring, you go counterclockwise. It has a little lip right here. You can hit it be careful not to spark this thing, to get some sparks. But all I did was just came like this, hit it with a hammer on the top, and this thing moved freely. So that's the next step, removing this ring. It has a connection right here, and then it has two other hoses attached to it on the bottom right here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's basically the same as the top. You squeeze the tabs on it and you can pull those two hoses out. Here's the new pump. Pump. The filter. This is the new filter. Make sure it's the same. Everything matches. So with that, it already comes with this wire right here, so you don't have to do anything else with that. Just plug the other one that goes here, and we'll see. All right. There's a seal under the filter. Then grab the ring, position it in place, and rotate it. Once you know when all the tabs are attached everywhere, so you can easily rotate it. I can do this by hand. Some of them might be rusty, but make sure you tap it. Goes back in. Sorry, it's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Make sure it's in completely in. This thing doesn't move, and then you're just going to attach everything back. Put this hose on. Be careful with this. This is kind of brittle if it's old. Like that. And give it a click. Make sure it's tight. And put the connector back. It's tight. Then you're going to put everything back. Put the plate on top, put this back, and put the seat. But before you put everything back together, just turn on the car, make sure it's not leaking, and once you see everything's okay, then you can put everything back together. Okay guys, that's it for now. If you have any questions, remember to hit the comment section, and if you like this video, hit thumbs up. Thank you.